Hello guys, welcome once again to Elizars kitchen. Today I'm going to show you all how to make this crispy roasted chicken, oven baked chicken legs. And I'm using the leg quarters. And the other ingredients we'll be using today is chicken bouillon, garlic powder, cayenne pepper, onion powder, thyme, my seasoned all Martins, and Elizars all-purpose seasoning, and some olive oil. Let's get into it. And guys, I have been, grieving a little bit. My dad passed away, so that's why you all haven't seen me on lately. Thank you all for the condolences, and God bless you. So first, you begin by cleaning your chicken. I clean my chicken with some lime. You can use lime or vinegar. Alright guys, so we're going to begin by brushing our chicken with some olive oil. You want to make sure you brush it all over with this olive oil. We're going to turn our chicken around, and we'll do the same for the other side. So the next step is to season, and I'm going to go in with my seasoned salt. Okay, so the next thing is I put all the rest of the seasons that I had for this recipe together. That's the garlic, onion powder, Elizars all-purpose seasoning, thyme, bouillon, and cayenne pepper, and we're gonna add that generously. Alright guys, so we're gonna put the rest of the seasoning on this side of the chicken, the skin side. So you arrange your chicken in the rack, and you make sure the skin side is down. So I'm going to flip this around and put the skin side down, and you bake this chicken leg quarters in your oven for 15 minutes on 400. You flip to bake for another 15 minutes, and make sure that the internal temperature is 170 degrees, and then voila, you will be done. Alright, now let's put this in our oven. Let it cook for about 45 minutes. We'll flip it around in 15 minutes and allow it to cook properly on both sides. So guys, it's been 15 minutes. So we're gonna flip our chicken and let it continue cooking. I baked this for about an hour, to be precise. Okay. Alright guys, so this is our chicken. It's been cooking for about an hour, and I'm gonna get it out of here. Here we have it. Beautiful, delicious, crunchy, yet juicy chicken. This is our finished product.